Hi, I'm Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to look at an all-new Aquila 36. We just got this boat into our property. Lots of great features to share. Happy to show you today. Let's start at the rear. First thing you're going to see when you walk up to the rear of this boat are two large Mercury Verado 300 motors. These are joystick controlled, which makes operating this boat a breeze. Those of you familiar with joystick controls know how easy it is, and especially when we have a boat 36 feet long, over 14-foot beam. Joystick's a great option to have. Also, you have a davit system right here. That's a great option on this boat if you want to bring your inflatable dinghy along or any other light dinghies. Great system set up right there, easy to use, very accessible right in the back. As we continue to move forward a little bit, you'll see right here you have rear-facing and forward-facing seating. The neat thing about this chair here is that with the button, it will expand. So you have a nice flat sun pad that you can lay out here on the back under the sun. Great little place to hang out and entertain, especially if somebody's cooking food, which we'll get to right here. Great little cook station back here with your Kenyon electric grill, and you have a fridge. So nice little cook station. You're out in the sun, great place to grill up steaks, burgers, whatever you want for the day. Moving forward, continuing the cooking theme, you have a large sink, which is great to wash down anything you need, and a cook plate, which you don't see on many boats. So this boat does have a grill and a cook plate, which will make cooking dinner or lunch while you're on the water much easier. You have lots of different options when you want to cook. In addition, you have a fridge here that does have a freezer on top, so you have everything that you need right here. This boat is built for entertaining. 26 people can fit on this boat. So if you have 26 friends, 26 family members, they all want to go out on the boat, bring them one time, they'll everybody have a blast. So moving forward, so we've already seen one sun pad back there. This is nice L-shaped seating, and you can see with the cushion already on this table, it's a high-low table. If you lower that table down, it'll create another sun pad. Very spacious, lots of room. This will in fact fold forward and give you all the seating that you need. And the advantage to this seating is you're under this massive hardtop. So this cabin here has air, so on a hot day, if you want to get out of the sun, but you still want to be on the water, you want to be comfortable, turn on that cabin air, close the windows, close the back eyes and glass, and you're in a nice climate controlled environment. As we continue to step forward, we'll take a second stop at the helm. You got one large Ray Marine multifunction display, center mounted compass, Mercury vessel view for your engine data, your binnacles, onboard VHF, and then as I mentioned before, the joystick. The joystick's such a great option, always sought after, really makes driving this boat easy. In addition, you have your Fusion stereo, great sound system throughout. This boat does have a subwoofer, a few toggle switches here for the important buttons that you need, such as your lights, your horn, and other things like that. Really well thought out helm. The steering wheel is just impressive. It's like a sports car steering wheel. It's very comfortable, great, thick, easy to hold on to when you're driving. We'll stop at the cabins here in a second, but we're going to continue to move forward. As you can see, this is the full glass enclosure option. A little window right here that opens up to give you more headroom. This large window folds open, and we'll take a look to the bow. So the bow has multiple setup for the seat configuration. To the starboard side, we turned it into a sun pad. This bolster folds down. You have parts of the chair that will lift out, and again, you have large sun pad in the back, large sun pad underneath the hardtop, an additional sun pad here as well as here. This is the other configuration. Bolster folds up, so if you wanted to seat opposing, have some people here, great spot to hang out, entertain, have a nice conversation, or again, lay out in the sun and just relax. All right, Katie, let's follow me down to the cabin. We'll take a look at the cabin. Again, the headroom on this boat is just tremendous. Everything you see is over 6 foot tall. And we stepping into here. Here's your electronic panel, all your switches, your breakers, your generator controls, 12-volt system, 120-volt system, all accessible right here, right when you get in front of the captain's chair. Easy to maintain and operate. This boat has a TV, and then to my right you see the bed. Lots of space, great setup for 2 people. It has a fan, it has a vent, has lighting, nice comfortable spot, plenty of windows you'll notice throughout this cabin. And then back here you have your head and your wet head shower. Again, ventilation, lights with blinds, mirrors, plenty of headspace, lots of room on this boat. And I will mention the cabin on the port side is very similar. If you have any questions about this boat, or any other boat we have in inventory, please give us a call at our Huntington location. My name is Josh and I'd be happy to help you. Thank you for your time.